So, in this video, we're going to be learning about how to create relationship between tables in Power BI. Now, once you extract more than one table into Power BI, there's a very high chance you need them to work side by side in visuals, and that's where creating relationships come to play. We have different types of relationship that can be created: the many-to-many relationship, one-to-one relationship, one-to-many relationship, and many-to-one relationship. So, in today's video, we will learn about the one-to-many relationship. In the previous video, we learned how to create relationship between tables using the many-to-one relationship. So that's it. In this particular relationship that's already been created, we'll just delete it and reconnect. So we're going to be reconnecting these particular tables now using the gender key, which appear in both tables. So all we're going to do now is hold down on this particular column, drag it to the column that is related to it, and that's how the connection is made. We're going to double click it to see the connection that has been made already. Now we see a many-to-one relationship, but if we want it to be a one-to-many relationship, all we just do is exchange the tables. Make this dental and we switch this to fat dental. And that's it. We see here now the name has changed, and that's how to create it. We just click OK to make this to be confirmed. In the next video, we'll learn about many-to-many relationship, so stay tuned.
So, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of my posts and new findings. And it's advisable for you to watch till the end because there's always something for everyone to learn. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.